When you open a trading platform, the first thing you see is a chart. But did you know there are different types of charts? In this video, we'll cover the main types of charts and which ones are best for beginners. Let's start with the line chart. A line chart connects closing prices with a single line. It gives a very clean and simple view of price. Line charts are great for spotting overall trends, but they hide a lot of important information. You can't see price highs and lows clearly. That's why most traders don't rely only on line charts. Next, let's talk about bar charts. Bar charts show the open, high, low, and close. Each bar represents one time period. They give more detail than line charts, but many beginners find them hard to read. This brings us to the most popular chart type: candlestick charts. Candlesticks also show open, high, low, and close, but in a much more visual and clear way. The candle body shows the open and close. The wicks show price movement above and below. Candlestick charts make it easier to read price action. That's why most traders use them. They help you see momentum and market emotion. For beginners, candlestick charts are the best choice. They balance detail and clarity. You don't need to master all chart types. Just understand what each one shows. Then stick to one chart style. Consistency is more important than complexity. Most of this course will use candlestick charts. So don't worry if others feel confusing right now. With time, chart reading becomes natural. Quick recap. Line charts are simple but limited. Bar charts show more detail but are harder to read. Candlestick charts are the most beginner-friendly. Choose clarity over complexity. In the next video, we'll learn how to read candlesticks.